Hi, welcome to my website. I actually created this website last semester for a different class, so a lot of this is photography based and you can come and check it out later on your own time. I will just be talking about the stuff that I did this semester. This is the home page. I have a blog page, a portfolio page. Under the photography tab, we have a bunch of other pages that are related to photography. You can check those out later. I also have a design page, a contact page, and a store, which you again can check out some other time. Under the design tab, you can see 3 of my designs from this semester. And then under fine art, I have also added my digital painting post from this semester. This post actually is probably the one that I consider both my favorite work and my best work. I really enjoyed this. It gave me a chance kind of to look outside of myself, try something new. I struggled with this a little bit just to make sure that the edges were clearly defined enough that you could kind of see what was going on, and also with my brother's portrait, trying to get the colors to work right. But I had a lot of fun with this. Probably the one that I struggled with the most was my soap designs project, because there was both the designing of the soap label and the designing of the pitch book, which is down here at the bottom of the post. And I like the design on the pitch book a little bit better than I like the design on the soap packaging. I feel like I didn't really understand what I wanted when I started this project, and I was trying to turn this really ugly logo into something better, and I didn't really know what I was doing, and I could have thought it out a little bit better and done better on it. I am graduating this semester. I don't have a job lined up yet, but I am hoping to use my visual skills in the future in whatever job I end up doing, whether it's working for a photography studio or some kind of design company. That's kind of what I hope to be able to do. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.